Exodus, a decentralized crypto wallet, has come a long way. In the previous video, I explained how to buy crypto with Luno and Exodus together. I'll put the link in the description below and here. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I talk about real estate, investment and home care tips. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more. And today we'll be looking at how to buy crypto directly in Exodus wallet. So Exodus has come a long way, and today in Exodus you can buy shares, buy more crypto through FTX, and buy, sell and add NFTs and more. So we're going to buy some Bitcoin today, and you can buy from as little as $10 US, 100, 1000 US dollars. And not only in US dollars, you can also buy in other currencies. For example, US dollar, Euro, Australian dollar, British pound, Japanese yen, Korean won, Malaysian Ringgit, Singapore dollar, Taiwan dollar and so forth in the list here. And if you're from Malaysia, you can buy crypto directly in Exodus wallet. And you can not only buy Bitcoin, you can also buy other coins in the list here below. So we're going to buy $10 US of Bitcoin. And then once you've selected your amount, click continue. And then you open in Google Chrome or Safari. And it's under RAM network. So confirm your amount and click proceed, and then you have to register your email, which you'll receive a confirmation email by RAM team. Copy the confirmation code and then paste it in RAM network. After you have confirmed your email, you can choose your payment method. It can be by debit or credit card or Apple Pay. And then once you have chosen your payment method, I've chosen to add in my debit card, so you have to add in your billing address. So fill in your billing address details, your name, surname, address, city, postcode, and also which country you are from. And then once you're done, add in your card details, which is your card number, expiration date and security code. And then once you're done, click proceed and add card. And then review your order summary, make sure the amount, Bitcoin wallet address and payment methods are correct. And then click buy now. And since we are buying for the first time, our identity have to be verified, so we have to go through the verification process. So click verify identity. Start your verification process, so click start. And then you have to make sure that your passport, national ID or driver's license are ready, and you have to also do a selfie video. So click continue and prepare for your selfie video and click continue, allow your camera. Then after you have done the selfie video, they'll ask you which country is your document from, so choose your country and which document you will scan. So choose which document you upload, so I'm going to upload my driver's license. And then you have to upload the front side and the back side of your document. And make sure your email address, driver's license or document and location are accurate. And once your verification has been submitted, click finish and then you receive an email to complete your transaction, which you can then complete payment. So click it and then you'll go back to your Google Chrome or Safari and it says that your verification has been accepted. Click continue and you have to add in your payment authorization for your card. So put in your security code if you're using a debit or credit card and then click confirm and pay. If you're from Malaysia or other ASEAN countries, I'm using BigPay. I'll put a link in the description below. And then once you receive the OTP code, put in the OTP code and click confirm. And then your transaction has gone through and then you can go back to Exodus. And within a few minutes, your purchase has been confirmed and progressed. And then you see the new amount that is added in your Exodus wallet, and in this case, in my Bitcoin wallet in Exodus. Thanks for watching and like this video and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more real estate, investment and home care tips. And also follow me on social media.